What's up, everybody? It's your girl Brittney, and I am here with another video. Yes, this hairdo is not the only thing that's new around here. So, although it's been about a month since I've talked to you guys or been in front of you guys, I want to say that I have been working. Your girl has been booked, busy, and blessed, and I'm super excited about this. But that is not what this video is about. This video is all about dun, 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 box of crayons. Yes, I finally got my box of crayons and I'm super excited. I know you've seen this little package everywhere because everyone has by now done a review. You know, your girl's late to the party, but at least she was invited and at least she is here, honey. So I only did not get the box of crayon, the eyeshadow palette, but I also got liquid eyeliner and some highlighter. So we are actually going to get started and using these products. I am super excited. I love the fact that it came double wrapped twice, double bubble wrapped twice to make sure that it is super safe. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like somebody should cue the music like, ah. That's what I feel right now. So these are the beautiful colors and they do look like a box of crayons. Yes, they absolutely do. Today, I don't know what we're going to do for today as far as my look is concerned, but let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, I tend to do whatever I feel anyway. I have on this sparkly silver foil shirt on, so silver is pretty much like a neutral color these days. Silver is like the new black. Like, do you guys feel that gray is like the new black, like it goes with everything? I certainly do. What am I feeling? I really want to go to the colors that I normally use. Y'all know I'm pretty much like a tan, brown kind of girl. But I want to try, let's use some purple today. Let's do tan and purple today. Let's see what that'll look like today. So I'm sticking we're going to go ahead and use this tan color. We're going to put this all over. I'm knocking out some of the excess. And I am just going to rub that in just like that. Okay, super. I like it. I like it already. Let me pin my hair back just a little bit. So we can get down and dirty. The colors are highly pigmented. I will say that. It's not a whole lot of fallout, which I absolutely love. You guys know I'm not big on eyeshadow that have a lot of fallout. And like I said in my previous videos is that I like to dip it no more than 3 times. If I can't get the color that I need by the 3rd dip, then I don't need this product. And this color is blending pretty well. So let's get right into it, honey. So I'm going to go in with the purple in my crease area. Oh, we like this. We like this a lot. It don't take a whole lot, which I absolutely love. So, Brittney, what have you been working on? What's been going on? So, some of you know that I sometimes work with Fox, and I've been working on a new show called Dance Squad. And it's pretty exciting. It's a kid's show. I know they got me working with kids, y'all. Can y'all believe it? And so with that, I am not only am I the hair and makeup person for the show, but I also do wardrobe. And I think I've explained a little bit how I got started doing makeup for TV and film. Is that I actually started off in the wardrobe department of a lot of shows. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. For some odd reason, I want to go in with some red. I'm feeling red. I feel like some red needs to be in here somewhere. I'm feeling like a sunset vibe. And like I said, I normally do not know what I'm going to do until I do it. I pretty much just do what I feel. And this is what I'm feeling to do. We're just going to get a little bit of red right up in there to give the eyes some dimension and it come down. Just to give it a little bit more dimension. So we have this sunset vibe going on. I used the purple. So first color I went in with was this tan. And then I used the purple and now I'm using a little bit of the red. And it's giving me some like sunset vibes right now. Which I am all for, by the way. We'll go back in with that tan color. And you know, usually when you use usually when you use purples and reds, you have a lot of fallout. There's not a lot of fallout in my eyes right now, so I am hella excited about that. Let's go in with some pink. Let's go in with a little bit of pink too. We might as well, right? I think I'm going to put the pink right here on top of the purple down here. Let's put a little bit of pink in there. So I'm going on my outer V over top of the purple with pink, just like that. And then I'm actually going to take this purple color and I'm going to mix it. I'm actually going to mix purple and violet together and smoke out the bottom of my eyes. And like I said, it's not a whole lot of fallout, so that is a great thing for the colors to be as vibrant as they are. So now I'm here for it. I was trying to figure out what was all the hoopla about it, and I get it. I really, truly get it. And I like it, and I'm here for it. I'm going to add a little bit of black. Just a little bit of black. Not a whole lot. Down, and then we're going to go up with the black. Just like that. Go down. And out like that. I have some exciting news to tell you guys, but I'm not going to tell you right now because I have to wait a little bit. I have to wait until the 18th of this month for me to share my news with you guys. But I am hella excited about it. I will say that. The 18th of this month is when I will let the cat out of the bag for some things. See, guys, when you guys don't hear from me, it's not like I'm not working. It's just that I'm accomplishing some goals and dreams and things of that sort that I have. So I'm just going to blend. Just like that. So I'm going to go in with, I like it because it looks like a Sharpie. That's uberly cute, isn't it? Is uberly even a word? It's my word, guys. And we all know I love me some liquid eyeliner. It's spread it on pretty evenly, pretty nicely. I'm not going to try and like move my eyes too much because I don't want it to land on top. You know what I mean? And then I'll have like a line in my crease of wet eyeliner. And I like to drag my eyeliner all the way through and all the way out. And so I'm just going to take a regular black eyeliner. Did I bring it? I did. Down. And I'm going to half moon my inner tear ducts. Perfect. Okay. So, this is the box of crayons. As you see, I use the purple, the tan, the pink, the red, and a little bit of the black. We used all those beautiful colors. Yes, we did. So now I'm just going to go in with my concealer, my MAC concealer. And just clean up a little bit and bring it down. Clean up and bring it down just like that. So let's go ahead. We all know that I still like to contour. Do people still contour these days? I don't know what they do. I just know what I do. And I still contour these days. So I'm just going to contour my nose. You guys know the deal, my chin. And I am just going to blend that all in. Just like this. Go in my hairline a little bit. One thing I can't stand is a extremely contoured nose. And by extreme contour, I mean I can see like the lines. Can't stand it. And I'm actually going to set my makeup today. Just gonna buff that out a little bit. Like I said, I really don't like harsh lines. So, do you guys like to do? Thumbs up if you like to do. What new products do you guys like that you tried? Like, what are some of your new favorite products that's out? I'm still not a fan of the whole Kylie Jenner cosmetics thing that she has going on. I don't know. I'm just not here for that. It's not that I'm not here for her. I think what she's doing is amazing, but I'm just not here for that in particular. Like skincare. Like her lipstick kits are cool, but other than that, I don't know, girl. she doesn't read me as a skincare person. That's all. That's all it really is. So, the third thing that we are going to try from the crayon collection is her. I'm actually going to use, because my Fenty color is a rose gold. I love rose gold highlighter. So that's what I got from her, some rose gold highlighter. So we already know we're going to use our trusty Fenty right here. I don't even think people highlight anymore. But I love the highlight. So we just put on a little bit of Fenty, and now we're going to go in with our highlight from Super Scent. How's she looking? She looking rose gold. How's she looking, honey? So I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. Just a little bit on my forehead. We are just going to blend all of that in. Is she giving me something? I'll probably mix her a little bit. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really care too much for the highlight. For her loose highlight, I'll probably turn it into like a body shimmer. But I feel like the Laritzi one, which I'm about to put on, gives me a little bit more. So far I used a cream, a loose, and a liquid. Let's see. Yeah, now that's doing it for me. And I don't want to, be beaming, because no one really beams anymore. That whole beaming highlight is completely out of style. But in the same sense, when I turn, it should be, who is she? Should be something. It should be something there. It should be a little something. A little something there. You know what I'm talking about? So, we are almost done. Let me go ahead and put on my blot powder. I'm not going to bake. I normally don't bake, to be honest. I normally microwave. And I need a new matte foundation. I'm thinking about trying Too Faced Born This Way. I think that one is matte. Shout out to Jackie Ina. She's dope. Okay. And so because our eyes are so dramatic, what we're going to do is put on like a nude lipstick, because we don't need a whole lot, we just don't need a whole lot. So this is like a brown lipstick, and of course I'm going to ombre it like I normally do. And we are going to put on some lashes. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm just going to go put on my lashes, and I'm coming right back to you, okay? Hold on. Don't go anywhere. Alright, guys. So I have put on my lashes, and this is the final look. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and leave a comment below. And let me see your crayon collection slay. This is Brittney Ward. I am Brittney W. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
I think we should do